filming Hayden as much as possible through the next few years. I didn't get a chance to when he was first born. I can try and post some pictures of him. But right now we're outside playing with his car. He's driving around. Say beep beep! Say beep beep! Say hi! Say hi. No. Okay. Ready? You want to race? 1, 2, 3, run! And Hayden won. Did you win? No. How come you didn't win? How come you didn't win? Hi. This is what we look like. What's the matter? Yeah? Say beep beep. You got a dirty face. Hayden pushing his car. Go this way. Go ahead, push it. That's it. Good job. Him in his new flashy shoes. And come around this way. Woo! What you getting? Be careful. Say hi. Boo. Look how big he's getting. I can't believe how big he got. Push the car again?